We are here at the Donovan Manor getting ready to shoot a wedding for the beautiful couple, Kayla and Malik. I'm gonna be doing the videography for it today.
And I'm doing photos.
Let me see what it looks like on this side. So turn.
Bring your hand, so slowly just kind of bring your hand up. Remember how we did at your last session?
All right, so we just got here. First things I like to do for wedding day is start off by getting some drone shots. So we got the DJI Mini 4 Pro. We're gonna launch it up into the air and get like some panning shots, some pushing shots to use for like establishing scenes for the wedding video. And then we're also gonna come back during sunset just to get some dope sunset shots. But we're gonna make this quick because it is hot out here. Oh, that bird about took his drone out. Look at it, look at it. It's like, sir. That would be insane if it did. That's why I fly. That's why I have to see my drone in person. Because he don't even know. Uh-huh. Oops.
Home point updated.
Oh, this looks sick. All right, so we just, nah, keep rolling. I'm gonna still keep talking. So right now we're just gonna get some push-in shots of the venue. Try not to get the cars in it. Go higher. Push that shutter speed because I ain't got no ND filter for my drone. 1/2000. Let's get some panning shots. I always try not to like fly blind so I can see my drone in the sky. Because once you lose sight of it, it's not good. All right, so we're gonna pan back to the left. So right now we're about to go shoot some establishing shots of the venue. Jay's shooting on an 85 FX3 and I'm gonna be shooting it on my Sony FX3 with a 35mm and just get some establishing shots, different, two different angles. One's tight, one's wide, close-up details and all that. Just real quick though, I wanna get one wide of the whole venue. So you had to come behind me right quick. So I'm just gonna get dead center. I try to do this before everyone gets here. Let me get dead center right here. Before everyone gets here so we don't have like traffic or anything like that. Back up even more. And then just a pushing shot. So I just got this with drone, but I just want to get some eye level for video. And then you're good, Jay. You can go get whatever you need to get. So I'll probably get like close up of the fountain. And then you can get an 85 shot right there too. And then everything is getting shot right now, 4K 60. So this is not gonna be my typical wedding film. It's gonna be the general style, slow motion, with vows and the officiant's words in it. You can get some of that, of the water fountain. And then, yeah, we're gonna head over to like the ceremony and get some stuff over there. You're good if you're in it, bro. Okay. Yeah. I wouldn't be mad at a little bit of rain. Or some, not rain, clouds. All right. I may get some right here, right quick. Trees. Sometimes I just like getting some static shots or like a little bit of movement. Dope. You get a little bit of flowers. Perfect. And then we're gonna go get some of the ceremony right quick with these gates. See, Vince, that's why I like, ain't no way. Typically, like, what I'd be doing right now is getting, like, setting up interviews and everything. Okay. Well, yeah, but since we're not doing the interviews and stuff like that, we're not having to do that. But like, you weren't there, but we went up to go meet the girls, and they were all basically done except for the bride. Hold on, I'm gonna, oh, we can't close this? Let me just get like a pushing shot to the ceremony. But yeah, normally I would have been setting up and running interviews and having someone else getting like static shots, but since I don't have to do that right now. Hey Jay, remember to get stuff with like the foreground, like shooting through flowers or over flowers, stuff like that. Oh, this is fire. They could do some stuff like walking through here. Good. All right, so right now we're about to get ready to do some, drawing a blank now. Details, flat lay. We're getting Lily, who's originally doing the BTS, but she's a photographer too, wedding photographer. So she's gonna set up a flat lay, and we're gonna just get some slow motion shots of it, detail shots. So we got the ring, we got her shoes, the veil, her earrings, what else we got? The invitation, perfume, stuff like that. So she's gonna set it up. Once she sets it up, we're just gonna start rolling with the gimbal, probably get some 85mm shots and some 35mm shots, and we'll go from there. Get some details of the groom. All right, so real quick, we're gonna go over how to film a wedding ceremony. So I like to use 3 cameras to shoot a wedding ceremony. I have 3 different angles. I have 2 cameras on each side of the ceremony and then 1 in the back moving around on the gimbal. So normally right here, I have the FX3 with maybe a 70-200 on it, and this is gonna be responsible for getting the groom angle. As people come down the aisle, this camera also pans with them as well to capture different angles of people coming down the aisle. But for the main part, it's responsible for just getting the groom reaction shot. And I try to keep it in the front because if it's in the back, when the bride stands up, it's just gonna block the angle of everybody. So we try to keep this more level to the front of the ceremony and use that to get the groom shot. So then we have another camera down here. We have the other side angle that I was talking about, the C cam. This is also same exact thing. This is gonna be responsible for the bride shot. So my boy Jay, he's gonna be manning this angle. He's gonna have a 70-200 getting a tight shot. We'll have headsets on, so I'll be able to talk to him about whether to push in to 85, 100, or whatever the case may be. And he'll be focused on the bride, but he will also, same thing, pan from this way when everyone's walking in and getting different angles of that as well. This one, so this camera is going to get blocked when everyone stands up, but once everyone sits down, you'll be able to see the bride. And then we have a third angle, and that's my boy Vince or Khalifa, Khalifa right here. He'll be getting a third angle, and that's usually on the gimbal, and that's just like getting reactionary shots of people saying the vows. He might be focused on someone in the crowd. He might get like wide angle shots, and he's able to like move around so it's not stationary. And then also either him or me, I'll put a drone in the sky and we'll get some aerial drone shots. And that is a simple breakdown of how I do my ceremony.